would like to send a warm gesture and welcome to all the media persons out here. We, the Karbi Student Association, would like to vehemently condemn the violent attack which was perpetrated on some of the activities at Kheroni, West Karbi on the 15th of this month. And this is not the first incident. There has been some sporadic incidents that have happened, and the last major incident that had happened was in the year 2014, where 4 of our activists, our members, were attacked and they were being hospitalized. Come to the point that these incidents is happening not by a common people. There are some vested interest people whom we would say gundas, and like they are the illegal migrants who have captured and settled at the PGR and VGR land areas. We therefore, on behalf of the Karbi Student Association, would like to demand the Law and Order Authority to arrest all the culprits involved in this incident within 48 hours and book them under the criminal procedures. And we would also like to demand the Karbi Autonomous Council to immediately evict all the illegal settlers in the PGR and VGR land areas. Now, coming to the point that until and unless the eviction drive happens, we, along with the public masses, will continue our democratic movement against such illegal settlers, and we would not stop. Please keep this in mind. We would not stop, and we would continue our democratic movement. Today, I also would like to appeal each and everyone in the district to maintain peace and to restrain, to involve in the violent activities. Today, we are in this situation just because of the illegal settlers, and to keep this in mind, the authority should take their initiatives very urgently.